Hi there! As many of you know, my name is Ollie Dove. Now what more appropriate for someone called Dove than to chill with some birds? Emus in the wild probably wouldn't let you hug them like this, so I really wouldn't recommend it. But here at Lone Pine, they were raised at Lone Pine, I do believe, and so they're very well accustomed to people, and you can come and have a little cuddle when you want. But don't pull on their feathers, because I'm sure you wouldn't enjoy someone pulling on your feathers. At Lone Pine we have lots of different types of birds. We have the flightless birds, and we have the flightful birds, flying birds, and the flightless birds include the cassowary, who we're going to see, and the flying birds include all the types of prey, the eagles, the kites. There's also the kookaburras, who aren't sitting in a gum tree, but should be sitting in a gum tree. No, don't attack, Stevie. Stevie doesn't love me. That was a hole. Right now it is lunchtime. So what these guys eat, as you can see, is a mixture of cut up food, all nice and yummy, prepared by the volunteers. Give that side. There are 3 emus here, and they get fed 3 times a day. Look at this delicious stuff. Luckily for me, they don't like the taste of human flesh, so I can get the food without worrying at all. Usually if you wait long enough, the pigeons will come and steal some too. They'll climb in or sit on the back of the emus.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty.
Gentlemen, I'm not entirely sure how to stand, so apologies for my less than ladylike stature, but this happens to be my favourite bird in the sanctuary. It is the cassowary, and was, funnily enough, the first word I learnt in German when I was younger, although I now actually can't remember the word, but I did know it once upon a time. So the cassowary is the biggest boss of the rainforest jungle. It happens to be the heaviest bird on land. The emu is taller, but this one's chunkier. No offense, dude, but it is. I really wish they weren't so vicious, because they look like the kind of pet that I would love to have stroll around my house, but unfortunately you really should not get up and close and friendly with these guys, because that horn on the front of it can take down things in the bush, and it can also probably break your face if they ran into you. This guy. It's beautiful. No words, more are needed. I'm stroking a turkey. The turkey doesn't realise. You have to move? The turkey realised. This is a lorikeet. Oh, was a lorikeet. Apparently sometimes, I don't know. When is tea time? Yeah, I don't know, maybe in 2 hours time. I think it's around 5, really. Oh, nice hat you got on. Is it new?
What's that?
Ollie. Yes, my name's Ollie.
Hello.